Hello friends, welcome to our channel Barani's Garden. This video is to show how to collect chili seeds and save them for later uses. We have another video on how to get maximum chilies for a longer time. The link to the video is given in the description below. To save chili seeds, you must wait till they are completely ripe and turn red. We have kept very few chilies in each plant to ripe that is sufficient to produce the required amount of seeds. If you let a large number of fruits to ripe, then your plant will produce less number of chilies. We have collected different varieties of ripe chilies from all of the plants. To take the seeds out, use any sharp object and slice the skin of the chili. You have to do it in soft hand, otherwise the seeds may get hurt. Now take out the seeds from the fruit. If you are not using any gloves, then wash your hands before doing anything else. Do not touch your face or eyes even after an hour of doing this. Chili pepper contains the chemical called capsaicin. This chemical causes the burning sensation. After collecting the seeds, dry them in the direct sunlight for a whole day. Same day in the afternoon, put the seeds in any airtight packet or container. This will protect the seeds from moisture. If you don't put them in the packet in the same day afternoon after drying them, then the seeds will again absorb the moisture from the air. This may harm the seeds. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.